In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default display on your macOS device, assuming you have multiple ones connected. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, go down and select Displays. And then on the right side, if you had multiple displays connected, select whatever one you want to connect to as a default. And then that's how you would do it. You might want to change the resolution as well. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.